Hey guys, Spencer Kaufman here with How To Video Channel. Today I'm going to show you how to wire up a light switch. So here we have a basic electrical light switch. This is a single pole light, which means that you have power coming in from the fuse panel or the box. The live wires are right here, and then you have this set of wires going up to the light fixture. And so it's one switch controlling one light fixture. Now a few things could be done. This could control multiple light fixtures if you ran from the fixture box more wires to more lights. So like for example, this one light switch could control like 6 can lights in the ceiling, but it's only one switch that's controlling them. You don't have 2 switches. If you need to know how to wire 2 switches or a 3-way switch, because 2 switches and one fixture area or fixture box, one set of fixtures, then you can check out this card, which will show you how to wire a 3-way light switch. But for now, this is a single pole light. Here we go. This is coming in from the live wires. So this is from the electrical box. What you'll need to do is have a few wire nuts. So we've got some here. Grab a couple of these. All right, and now this is very, very simple. So here's your live wire. Of course, you'll want to make sure the power is off. So the live wire is going to go on the bottom screw. Now this is because you want the light off. Now when you turn it on, this is really just a connector. A light switch is an interrupter. So when you turn it on, it's allowing the current to flow from here, the off position, up to this other wire, which you will connect, and that'll go to the fixture. So to put this on, you can just wrap this around. Now you want the direction of the screw, or the direction of the wire to be turned in the direction of the screw. So for example, this screw here is going to be turning back or toward there. So you would want this hook to be switched around this way. And the reason is because then this, as you turn the screw, it's going to pull the wire around the screw and create a stronger connection. Now of course they have these goofy quick connects where you can just stick the wire in there. I really don't like using them because if they pull out ever, or then you'd have to clip them, or sometimes you can push this to try to get it out, but it's generally a lot better just to screw it on like that. So the next one is going to be the hot wire from the fixture, or that's going up to the light fixture box. So you would hook that on here as well, other direction though. And then screw that down nice and tight. And you say, what about all these other wires? Well, this is where the wire nuts come in. So right now you have your light switch. It should be working. Now the next thing you would do is take the wire, the neutral wire from the electrical panel and the neutral wire from the light fixture, and you'll put them together. And then here is where a lineman's pliers is really handy. You can grab all of this in the description below. You can twist that around and then take your wire nut and nut that together. Make sure that you have it on far enough that you don't have any exposed wire here. You want the plastic insulator to be all the way up in that wire nut as well. And then with the ground wires, what you can do, you have 2 options. You don't really need a wire nut on a ground, but what you can do, this is a quick and easy way, and I wouldn't recommend it, but you'll see it a lot of times, is someone just loops this around like that, and then they take this end and loop it around the ground screw and tighten that up. Now I don't really recommend that. What I would suggest is you either put both of these screws around this ground screw, or what you can do is take a a jumper and run that with the wire nut if you wanted, and then around the ground screw. So you would simply, I'll have to straighten this out now that I kinked it all. But what you would do is get another little piece of wire to use as your jumper, and you take all three of these, marry them up together, grab the linemans, and then you can just twist these guys around. And it's a ground, so you don't have to have a wire nut on this, but a lot of times electricians and people, they'll just stick one on the end just to kind of help hold them, which I think is a good practice. It makes everything look a lot neater and cleaner. So you have all that, and then you take this wire right here, and remember we want it in the direction of the turn, so that's going to turn forward. So what you're going to do is rotate this, hook that up, and then we'll get that on there. Okay, so that is it. That is how to wire a single pole light switch where you have the power coming into the light switch box. If you need to know how to wire up a light switch with the power from the fixture, then stay tuned to this video. There'll be a card here that you can click on to find out how to wire a light switch when the power is coming from the light fixture. So this is how to do it when the power is coming into the switch, and then you're running that power up to the fixture box. Hopefully you liked this video. Do so by clicking the like button below. In addition, please subscribe to the channel and stay tuned for future videos. Thank you.